Welcome back to the channel. It's great to see you all again, and today we've got something really exciting lined up. We're taking a close, detailed look at the highly anticipated 2026 Tata model revealed at the Auto Expo. This car has been making waves across the automotive community with its fresh design, new features, and promises of performance that could redefine what we expect from Tata. So buckle up, because this is going to be a detailed ride. Let's start with the exterior, and right off the bat, the design language is striking. Tata has clearly taken a bold step forward, blending sharp modern lines with a touch of futuristic appeal. The front fascia commands attention with its aggressive grille design, seamlessly integrated LED DRLs, and a sleeker headlamp cluster that feels more premium than anything we've seen in this segment from Tata before. The bumper has a sportier profile, with dynamic contours that give the car a more planted stance. From the side, the car's silhouette is smooth and aerodynamic. You'll notice the flush door handles, sculpted side panels, and a character line that runs cleanly from the front fender to the rear tail lights, adding to that sense of motion even when the car is stationary. The alloy wheels are a showstopper, multi-spoke, machine-finished, and designed to complement both aesthetics and aerodynamics. Moving to the rear, the connected LED tail lamps are a standout feature, stretching across the boot to give the car a wider visual stance. There's a subtle roof spoiler, and the bumper integrates neatly with a faux diffuser, emphasizing the sporty DNA. All in all, it's a major upgrade, showcasing Tata's growing confidence in design. Now, let's talk performance. Tata hasn't released every detail officially, but what we do know is promising. The model showcased at the Expo comes in multiple variants, including petrol, diesel, and most interestingly, a next-generation electric version. The ICE variants are expected to come with refined versions of Tata's 1.2L turbocharged petrol and 1.5L diesel engines, tuned for better efficiency and lower NVH levels. Expect smooth power delivery, improved torque at lower RPMs, and a more responsive throttle. But the real game changer is the EV variant. Tata's new General EV platform, showcased here, offers improved battery density, longer range, reportedly over 500 kilometers on a single charge, and faster charging thanks to an 800 volts architecture. There's also regenerative braking with multiple levels of control, which can be customized through the infotainment system. Ride and handling seem to be improved as well. The Expo car was fitted with a new suspension setup that balances comfort with dynamic driving. There's less body roll and tighter cornering capabilities, all while keeping passengers comfortable over bumps and rough patches. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Tata feels like a major leap forward. It's more premium, more spacious, and packed with tech. The dashboard layout is minimal yet functional, with a floating 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The digital instrument cluster is crisp and customizable, offering navigation, media, and vehicle health data right in your line of sight. The materials used across the interior are soft touch in key areas, with brushed metal and piano black inserts that elevate the feel. Ambient lighting runs across the dash and door panels, creating a lounge-like vibe during night drives. Tata has also upped the comfort game, with ventilated front seats, dual-zone climate control, and an air purifier system built in. Rear seat comfort is also a highlight. Legroom and headroom are ample, thanks to the extended wheelbase, and the rear passengers get their own AC vents, USB-C, charging ports, and even a fold-down armrest with cup holders. The boot space is generous and well-shaped, with a flat floor and a smart power tailgate in the top-end variant. Overall, this 2026 model from Tata has left a strong impression. From the bold new design and improved performance options to a tech-loaded, premium interior, it looks like Tata is seriously upping its game for the coming year. Whether you're looking for a stylish urban cruiser or an efficient electric commuter, this model brings something exciting to the table. That's it for today's video. Let me know in the comments what you think about this new Tata. Does it live up to the hype? Are you excited for its official launch? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming reviews. See you in the next video.